Look, the most important thing for you to know right now is you can do this. If you've been working on your English for 20 years and you're still not happy with your accent, it's not about you. It's about the way you've been taught, the method you've been given. Let me introduce you to the course you need to take, Essentials. The most effective program I've ever created for mastering the American accent. And I'm not just saying that, I mean it. After 20 years of teaching, I know what works. This course works. It's science-backed, designed with clarity, and all you have to do is show up and put in the time. How much time? With Essentials, I ask students to dedicate around 25 minutes a day for about 5 weeks. That's it. That's enough to master 9 micro skills of the American accent, covering all topics like vowels, consonants, rhythm, stress, melody, linking, and placement. In Essentials, I break the American accent down into micro skills. Remember, this is accent training. It's about speaking English. It's not for beginners, and it's not about learning grammar or vocabulary. Of course, you'll learn and be exposed to new vocabulary, but what you're working on here is speaking fluency and understandability through accent reduction. This is for intermediate to advanced students. You might already have an amazing command of English. You may have lived in the US for years, but you want to polish your American English voice. This is where the concept of micro skills comes in. I've been able to break the American accent down into the smallest topics for mastery. The work you do is so focused, it's truly unavoidable to improve. You do what's called deliberate practice on the micro skill with thorough, comprehensive, easy-to-use lessons, and you master it. You let your body do the learning through the training. There's no mental stress or straining. The exercises are there for you and you do them. With micro skills, you don't work generally with phrases. You start smaller than that, with the rhythmic building blocks of the language. No matter what your level of ease of speaking English is today, focused work on micro skills will change everything for you. Essentials is just one of over 20 courses you get when you join the Academy, but I do encourage everyone to start with this 5-week course. Rachel's English Academy is absolutely, hands down, the best place to improve your English speaking skills. Right now, we're so close to wrapping up our Black Friday sale, but you can still get in for 60 to 70% off. Put in your time here, and your life will be transformed. Go to rachelsenglishacademy.com now to sign up.